In today's fast-paced digital age, the human mind is under constant attack. Distractions are everywhere, silently pulling us away from what truly matters. Notifications buzz on our phones, endless scrolling consumes our time, and we slowly begin to lose the ability to sit still, think deeply, and focus on one task at a time. Focus used to be natural, but now it feels like a skill that must be fought for and reclaimed. The truth is that the modern world is designed to steal your attention. Companies compete for your time. Every app you use is crafted with psychological tricks to keep you hooked. And the result is that your brain becomes wired for short bursts of shallow concentration instead of long stretches of meaningful focus. This is not just a personal struggle, it is a collective one. Almost everyone around you is fighting the same invisible battle, and most people are losing. Imagine a time when reading a book felt easy, when you could sit down and enjoy the flow of words without your mind wandering. Today, even picking up a book feels like a challenge. Within minutes, you feel restless, almost addicted to the need for stimulation. This is the cost of living in a distracted age. Focus has become rare, and because it is rare, it has also become valuable. The people who learn to master it will gain a massive advantage over those who let their attention be controlled. The question then becomes, how do you fix it? How do you train your mind to focus again in a world designed to keep you distracted? The first step is awareness. You cannot fight an enemy you don't even see. Most people think they are in control, but in reality, they are trapped by habits that reinforce distraction. Scrolling late into the night, switching between apps every few minutes, and constantly checking notifications rewires the brain for restlessness. To regain focus, you must break the cycle. One of the most powerful methods is to practice single tasking. Instead of trying to juggle 10 things at once, commit to doing one thing with your full attention. Set a timer for 25 minutes, turn off every notification, and dedicate yourself completely to the task at hand. You will be shocked at how much you can accomplish when you stop allowing distractions to break your flow. Over time, this practice strengthens your brain's ability to concentrate. Another method is to control your environment. The brain is shaped by what surrounds it. If your desk is cluttered with distractions, if your phone is buzzing with alerts, if your environment is noisy, your brain will reflect that chaos. But if you create an environment that promotes stillness and order, your mind will naturally follow. This is why so many high performers create rituals and structured routines. They remove choice and randomness so that focus becomes automatic. Meditation is another underrated but powerful tool. Sitting in silence for just 10 minutes a day trains the mind to resist impulses. It builds the muscle of attention, teaching you to notice when your thoughts wander and to bring them back. Over weeks and months, this practice can completely transform your ability to stay focused in daily life. Of course, fixing your focus also requires controlling your digital diet. Just like your body becomes unhealthy when you eat junk food, your brain becomes unhealthy when you consume too much mental junk. Endless scrolling, shallow entertainment, and meaningless content drain your ability to think deeply. Replacing these with long-form content, books, or even meaningful conversations strengthens your brain instead of weakening it. The hardest part is consistency. Building focus is not something you do once and achieve forever. It is a discipline that must be practiced daily. Some days you will fail, some days you will give in to distractions, but if you keep coming back, your focus will grow stronger. Over time, you will notice that you can read for longer without losing concentration, that you can work deeply without the urge to check your phone, that your brain feels sharper and more alive. In a world where attention is currency, protecting yours might be the most important decision you ever make. Those who master focus will achieve more, learn faster, and live deeper lives than those who remain stuck in distraction. The choice is in your hands. Will you allow the modern world to control your mind, or will you take back the power of focus? The answer begins today, with the smallest choice: to pay attention to what truly matters.